bedroom decorated in hipster style can't be anything but a DIY designed to uphold the independent, intellectual, anti-mainstream, creative spirit of hipster culture. Thrift store finds and repurposed decor fit perfectly in a bedroom inspired by the eco-friendly, bohemian ideals of a hipster lifestyle. Two essentials of a hipster bedroom include displays of cerebral literature and esoteric music. Furnish your bedroom as inexpensively as possible. Look for furniture in thrift stores, flea markets or yard sales. A chair or small sofa with vintage or retro upholstery is a hipster treasure. String lights or fairy lights make cozy accent lighting in a hipster-style bedroom. Some must-haves of the hipster lifestyle prove to be more difficult to find, but this just makes them even more desirable. A brightly colored vintage typewriter or crocheted lampshade are high on the list. Hopefully can help.